guys, we're going to take you on a tour on this oyster, inside and outside. So come with me.
Okay guys, well, we're gonna do a boat tour today, and it's a very nice day. We're Spinnaker sailing, we're under sail. We're gonna go through the whole boat and show you how we live, how we do this passage thing, what we do while we're out to sea, and then we're gonna have a Q&A period where we're gonna have some very interesting questions that the girls came up with. Let's start in the front.
Ooh, there's not much light here. This is my bedroom, my closet.
What's underneath it?
Here are some diving stuff. Shoes. Don't need that. And this is the best part of the boat.
The mirror. Where you do your makeup and your hair.
My hair, yeah.
Okay.
Stuff like that.
Is it comfortable in here?
Oh yeah, so comfortable. I have all this room. It's enough. This is where I keep all my like sunblock towels. You want to see a shower?
Yeah.
Come in.
Can you get in there? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Oh, shower time. Okay,
Very
cool.
nice.
Yep.
These are the bunk beds. It's a mess right now, but we're cleaning and fins.
Yoga map.
Oh yeah. We do workouts every morning on deck. We basically use this for stowage right now because we don't have other crew.
La cocina.
Ah.
Mi parte favorita del barco. Porque aquí podemos comer. Ok, interesante porque esto necesita moverse con el barco. ¿Vale? Están las gavetas, fuego, cuchillo, tenedor, cuchara. Otra aquí. Más juguetes para cocinar. Y aquí donde están los sartenes para un rico pescado. Ok, aquí donde botamos la basura no orgánica, plástico y botella. Ok, las gavetas para los vasos, las copas, los platos. Aquí me cato.
Ya está.
Aquí para desayunos, bla bla bla, mermeladas, las especias por acá, otra gaveta acá, más ollas por aquí. Mi favorito. Ok, la nevera y refrigerador para frutas, queso, leche,
¿Qué frutas?
manzana.
Una manzana.
Bueno.
Nosotros frutas.
Y el refrigerador para pollo, sopa congelada, helado. Muy bueno, mira, tiene. Esto es bueno. Tiene hielo. Ok, ¿qué más? Esto todavía no sé qué es. Ah, otra gaveta aquí, pero para la máquina. Esto no es para la cocina, para el barco.
I think they've seen enough of that one.
Aquí para lavar los platos. ¿Qué más? La biblioteca para los libros. Por aquí cargamos los teléfonos. energía.
Fire's gonna start. It's gonna start in here.
Ok, por aquí esto cumple doble función. Nos sentamos y guardamos comida. Help me.
You can do it.
¡Babán! Tenemos latas, garbanzos, tomate, pasta, lentejas, galletas de Jenny. Ok.
Yeah, we open that one a lot.
Y de este lado lo mismo. ¿Qué más?
This is for the rest of the vegetables and fruits. As you can see, pineapple.
¿Ves? Otra
Potatoes.
fruta, otra fruta.
Oh yeah, that's right. Lo siento.
That's right. Onions, ginger.
Me encanta el barco porque tiene muchas gavetas secretas como esta. ¿Pero qué es esto? Ah,
I'm using that for all my crap now.
lo encontré. Y aquella también me encanta. ¿Qué hay por aquí? Oh, what's that? Me gusta. Y
Wait.
Tabasco.
Tabasco. Oh no, no.
Sí.
That's Bloody Mary.
This is the salon where we eat, where we have dinner, breakfast, and lunch. We can even make the table bigger if we have guests. Let's do it.
Voila!
Push it together. There you go.
How many people can sit there?
I think 2, 4, 6, maybe 8. When we squeeze in.
Nosotros.
Yeah.
They have to be
Nice.
very good friends.
Yeah.
Do you guys like the boat?
Me
What do you
encanta.
think?
Okay, just to remind you guys, the boat is moving. We are underway. We are under Spinnaker. So because some of the shots are like, I'm moving around, I'm doing the best I can here. I think it's more fun that way. Okay, girls, will you please put the table back and we'll move on to the other parts of the boat. Las ventanas, por favor.
Ok.
Una segunda.
Ok, la ventana es súper importante porque por aquí fluye el aire, si no nos cocinamos. Necesario desenroscar aquí. Ah, fuck.
Okay.
Malas palabras. Eso es lo primero que uno aprende, malas palabras. Ok.
La otra dirección, la otra. Ok.
Ok. Necesitamos cerrar bien aquí. Aquí. Aquí.
Por supuesto.
No necesitas aquí porque aquí es solamente por abierto y cerrado.
Ah, ok.
Y no necesito mucho también. Este es bueno. Un cuarto.
Ok.
Bueno.
La voy a abrir porque hace mucho calor.
Okay.
The heart of the boat and a very important part are the batteries. Let me show you. I didn't notice. We have 400 amp amp hours of lithium on 24 volts.
Yeah. Nicely done. Okay, close it back up. That's actually not all the lithium we have on the boat. This is a pretty sweet piece of kit I just picked up. It is a Jackery 1500 watt solar generator. Jackery is a sponsor of this video and has been making solar generators since 2012. Inside this box is 1500 watts of lithium batteries, a pure sine wave inverter, and a charge controller. Outside you got AC power, USB-C, USB 3, DC car charger, and input for the 4 100 watt solar panels that come with the kit. To put that into perspective, my old boat, Zingaro, my catamaran that ripped in half, if you haven't seen that, please click up here. That thing only had 300 watts of solar on it, and I sailed it over 40,000 miles, which is more than the circumference of the Earth. So Jackery's giving away 24 of these generators in different sizes for their 9th anniversary. And this is a pretty sweet set of kit. It'd be cool to win one. To enter, just go to their website at jackery.com and upload a photo into their contest. If you guys win this, let me know if you won. That'd be sweet. Okay. That's enough about the solar generator. This is a cool piece of kit. Muchas gracias por su exploración del ventanas. ¿Tienes más?
No.
¿En dentro aquí?
A ver.
Are you?
Luces.
Luces, okay.
Sí.
What?
Las luces. The light.
Oh yeah.
This is.
Go ahead.
Ok. Pero están trabajando. No work.
Oh,
No.
the luces don't work.
Ok. Aquí es la luz.
The switch for the lights, just so you guys know, is right here. I've showed you guys this before, but aquí, forward cabin lights, aft, atrás, enfrente.
Ok.
Enfrente luz, atrás luz. Okay. Este luz es atrás luz. Yo no sé por qué.
There we go.
There we go.
All right. Then if you turn around, this is the office.
Whoa.
La oficina del capitán.
Okay. Explain what goes on there.
He sits here for like
Calm my
hours
day.
a day, working, editing his videos, watching the boat.
That's no trick photography. That just said we were doing 10.4 knots. We're flying right now.
Este es el cuarto de limpieza. ¡Papá! Donde están algunos instrumentos.
Y emergencia.
Y emergencia. Ah, ok. La
Sí.
aspiradora.
Sí.
Una escoba o cepillo de barrer.
¿Qué es más importante?
Esto.
No.
No, no.
Los
ya
jaquetas.
Sé, ya sé. Los salvavidas.
Sí.
Aquí están los salvavidas.
Okay, there you go. Want to put that on real quick?
Wait.
Unclip the front.
¿Sí?
No. Unclip
Así.
it from the front. Unclip it.
¿Así?
Oh boy, we should have gone over that. this is not looking good for me at all. Unclip the front and then put it on like a jacket.
Esto es muy importante saberlo.
Sí.
Yo no sabía eso. Ok.
Okay, thanks for pointing that out. Appreciate that. I'll just translate that into something different.
Perfect.
Nicely done. Turn around real quick. Let me see the back. All right, good to go. Sweet. Somebody is gonna survive. Ana,
Yo muerta.
lo siento.
Muerta.
You want to try again? Or sabes?
Sí, ya sé.
¿Sabes?
Sí.
Okay, bueno.
Así.
Sí. Sí. Y, there's 4 of them in there, and all of them are automatic. With new parts. I just put new parts in all of those. Okay, good. Whoa! Oh, what happened? Hey, here! Autopilot got shut off. Look at the on switches. It's on. Okay, okay. Move the screen in the nav station. Take off the first cover of this. Look, this, and that's the other autopilot. See if the autopilot is on. Both of them are off. Okay, then I need you to look at the switch panel again, and there's one called GFI, GMI gauges. It's next to the autopilot.
That one is on.
That one's on also, okay. Oh, this is a problem. Okay, well. I'm gonna need one of you guys to drive. Because I've gotta take care of this. Okay. 270. Ah, that's what happened. I see now. Come here. One of you guys kicked the switch to turn all the whole house off accidentally. It's okay. But wow, man, I'm glad the sail didn't rip or something. Look. This is what happened. This switch, este aquí, es por total barco. Boom. Este es por la máquina y este es por la windlass enfrente. Te preocupes. Nice job. Okay, look at that, waiting for autopilot controller. Okay, crisis averted. Let's continue the tour. Okay, crisis averted. You girls ready?
Sí, claro, por supuesto.
You're nice and scared. What better way to do a boat tour than scared to death?
So now we go to the last room of the boat. The master bedroom. And this is where the magic happens.
Oh, wow, it looks nice.
Mm-hmm. Nice with 2 windows for good ventilation.
Uh-huh. Can you open that? Oh, it's already open.
It's open, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Nice
And then,
sunny.
What else is there?
I don't know what's in here.
This is actually the generator underneath here. You can either get storage or with this boat, if you pay for the generator, it's under there. But it doesn't work, so I never open it.
No.
Yeah, anymore. That's a massager gun.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Yeah, that thing's awesome. So this toilet just went out recently. It's cracked right there on the base. It's cracked. You can see it from here. And we can't use it anymore. I need to get new toilets. They're really old. They're probably original to the boat. They look nasty. I'm gonna get electric ones so everybody can just push a button. Oh,
oh, that would be nice.
Grande.
Muy grande.
Sí.
¿Qué es dentro aquí?
Ropa, bolsos.
You know,
Sábana.
one thing I've never made you guys do yet is get into the this and this. Can you get this out? Los dos, por favor. Okay, Yenere.
Ooh.
Put it on.
I need to put this on.
Yeah, that's the foulies. If you're quick, you won't sweat too much.
Sí, porque está una hora.
Go, go, go. That's for when the weather's really bad.
Oh, it's so hot.
Go, go, go. Hurry. Do it.
Tú puedes.
We're still moving.
Go. Suspenders up. Zipper up. Now put the coat on.
Oh, this is suicide.
Ay, respira.
Okay.
It's on.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Looking cozy. Okay, get out of it. Oh my God, you're sweating so much.
It's so wet.
Okay, me gusta esto. De pirata. Pero por mí.
Su cabello es muy grande por eso.
Sí. Otra vez por ti.
Yeah, well, I'm co-captain, so.
Okay, get out of here. It's hot.
Yeah.
¿Qué más hay aquí?
No mucho.
Una super chaqueta.
Sí, tengo muchos. Oh, yeah.
Diving suit.
¡Sí! ¿Qué es esto?
Yeah. Enfrente. Yeah.
Custom made.
Custom made Rob Allen suit.
Never touch that button, guys. Would you like to see the cockpit?
Yes, let's go outside. Okay. Explain what's going on in here.
So this is the steering wheel, as you can see. And here we have the
I forget to.
Lines.
no, this thing.
No, the
Winch.
wings.
Winches. The winches, which how you can control the lines to the sails. This is where we relax, chill. Let me see. Line to the jib sheet.
Nice.
This one goes to the main.
That's right. Nicely done.
That's all I know.
You're getting there. I need to switch mics because the lavalier mic's better for outside. So give me just 1 sec. We'll get back on the front of the boat and she'll show you the outside. Okay, you ready for the last part?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Come with me. This is where James set the anchor up. If we take a look inside, you can see these colors. That's how we mark the chain to know the depth of the anchor. Right now we're sailing with the SPINNAKER sheet. It's beautiful and very lightweighted. This is where we stored the dinghy for now. What are these called again?
Hatches.
These are the hatches to my bathroom, my bedroom, and the hallway. Cool. This is the main sheet and the jib sheet, if I'm correct. I don't know. This is where we hang out our towels to get them some fresh air. They need at least 3 wasknijpers. I don't know the word in English. Go lay down like this.
Favorite sunset spot?
Amazing. Got some laundry hanging around.
Let's keep going back.
James tied down the gasoline. Oh, This is our vacuum cleaner, which just broke down, unfortunately. This is where we like to fish. Rinse ourselves off after taking a bath in the ocean. Bath. Let me see if we open this one.
You remember the name for that?
No.
Lazarette.
The lazarette. Yeah. These are lazarettes. Yeah. What is that?
Fender.
This is the Fender lazarette. This one is for lines and
Life jackets and fins.
life jackets. Yeah.
Lines, life jackets, and fins.
Oh, we can't open that one right now. Ooh. These are the hatches to the master bedroom. This is the bow. Yeah?
Boom.
The boom. This is the boom with the new sticker on it. Watch your head. Thanks for watching. We had so much fun. If you have any questions for us, leave them in the comments below and we will answer them later.
Just in case you don't believe me that we were actually doing 10 knots, check this out. That's now. That's the average. Max is 12.5. And that's for the last 5.5 hours. Wow, we are flying! This is rad. Okay, see you guys next week. Much love.